Hi there. Welcome to my office. My name is Joshua Milam, and I am an estate planning and probate attorney. Now, today happens to be Good Friday. So, as you can see, I don't have any clients in my office currently. However, as a small business owner, it's very important to be sure that I regularly have potential new clients sitting in that seat across from me so that I can continue to get new business and grow my business. How is it that I make sure that I keep plenty of potential new clients in that seat across from me? That's very simple. My LeTip sales force does a lot of the work for me. What is LeTip, you may ask? LeTip is a networking organization of business professionals. We meet together on a weekly basis. We're currently meeting in person at Sherlock's Baker Street Pub in Addison. And we meet together for the purpose of learning about one another's business. That way we can find out how we can refer our current customers or clients to other business owners to fill needs that our current customers or clients have. And this way, we put dollars in one another's pockets. Now, as part of our meeting, we feature a couple of our members so that we can all learn more about that member's product or service on a weekly basis. There's two ways that we do this. The first is through what's known as showboating. So we will have a showboater at our meeting on Wednesday, April the 7th, and her name will be Dr. Rebecca Gracia. She is our resident naturopath and holistic medical provider, and she will be showboating about a keto diet, the importance of the keto diet, who it can be beneficial for, and how it can be beneficial for them, as well as tasty recipes to help you maintain that keto diet without having to feel like you're missing out on some of your favorite foods. Another way that we feature a member during our meeting is through our speaker. We'll have a featured speaker on a weekly basis who will speak to our group for 7 to 10 minutes with some time available for asking questions. Our speaker this week is going to be Dennis Copeland, and he's going to be speaking to us about Medicaid and how you enroll for Medicaid, why it's important to enroll for Medicaid, and how to manage risk when you are in that period of life where you need Medicaid. So we look forward to having a great meeting on April 7th, and we hope that you'll join us. Meetings officially begin at 11:46, although we recommend that people show up at 11:30 to be able to network, meet people, and just get a little bit of an opportunity to visit the showboat, see what the showboater is talking about, and mingle. So we'd love to have you with us on Wednesday. Hope to see you there.